everyone, welcome to Tech Scale, and in this video we have with us the latest GoPro, that is GoPro Hero 11 Black. You can see, right? So I got this from Amazon, and by the way, this is an Indian unit, and I got this from Amazon at rupees 42,000, and with some off it I got it for around 41,000 with some bank offers, right? So let's see what do we have, what they have given us in the box. So I think this is a GoPro and an Enduro battery and some other accessories, right? So let's say what are the features of this GoPro. So we can shoot up to 27 megapixels of photos, 5.3K 60 fps video plus 4K 120 fps, and a whopping 2.7K at 240 fps, right? So this is waterproof up to 10 meters, and we can also use voice to control this camera. Some 8x slow motion is there, and couple of other things. If you can see time wrap 3.0, and you can also use this camera to live stream at up to 1080p resolution, and super photo is here, and a lot of other things are here. So, and also this supports the media mod that comes with GoPro. If you buy an creator edition, you can also buy those mods separately. So let's open the box. Let's see what they are giving us. So this is a nice, very sturdy kind of a box, and this reminds me of my Sony XM4s. They also come with some similar box but with a little different color, right? So let's open this and see what they are giving us inside the box. So okay, that's pretty neat. So we have some user manual, I guess. So subscribe to GoPro. So they are having something like full access to GoPro Quick app, and we have been given some manuals how to install, and okay, some GoPro stickers are also here. Amazing. You can also put it somewhere, right? And these are some of the pro tips, for the best performance in cold weather, and a couple of other things. So we have a charging cable, and I suppose it's type C, if you can see, right? It's type C. We have this thing, I'm not sure what exactly, because this is also my first action camera, so I'm not sure what exactly this is. I suppose this is a mounting kind of a thing. This is a mount, and this is our Enduro battery. Okay, let me just pull it out. Oh my god, this is really small. So if you see, this is the Enduro battery, and since it's why it's called Enduro, there are some conventions. So whatever battery comes with this white thing, this is called an Enduro battery, right? So we have this and some other clips, and again I will have to figure out what exactly this, I think this is something like this, and I don't know what we do with this. I have to check it myself first, and yeah, okay, there is something. Okay, I accidentally peeled it off, right? So this is here. Let's pull out the camera now. Let's pull out the camera. Okay, it's a little heavy, I guess. I don't know, maybe we'll check that later. So we have, let me just peel off this tape first. Okay, or maybe I can just simply pull it out. Okay, I'll just peel it off. Wait, so I am peeling it off, not properly of course, but yes, I have put it back. Okay, so this is our GoPro. We have this display, and okay, we do have some mounting clips, I guess. This is what these are called, and I have to figure out where and how to put the battery. And okay, this is the, okay, now that is unexpected. It shouldn't have peeled off like that. Okay, so this also is gone, and this is the main lens. So we have this GoPro with us, and okay, I don't know, something was on the camera. Okay, so let's say how to, I'm not sure how to open this. So I have managed to open this. So it was how it is supposed to happen. Yeah, this like this. So you have to actually pull it like this, and this goes off like that. Okay, so we have, okay, the direction of battery should be like this. So you have to put it, and I think it will pop. Okay, it is inside. I'm not sure if this was right, but yeah. So I do have a memory card. This is a V30, I guess. Yeah, if you can see, this is V30 Evo Plus 256 GBs, and I will just pull. I'm not sure how to take this thing off now. The this memory card or SD card inside this. Okay, we have to put it like that. Okay, so I'll yeah, there is a click sound if you could hear that. So I'll just close it now. It's done. And now this is the power button here. I'll just click it and it says something, and here my GoPro is simply turned on. I mean it's powered on, yes. So we have to select the languages. Okay, this is a very fluid display, by the way. So I'll just set English and I'll agree, turn on tag to footage, and okay, I'll just turn it on. Okay, so and I have the GoPro Quick app already installed on my device. I'll just QUIK, it was like this. So I have the Quick app here, so I'll just accept these and don't allow, and okay, I'll just click on GoPro, connect to a GoPro, connect to the camera. This will automatically find. So this says we have found your GoPro, so I'll just connect it, and as soon as we connect it, it is asking for a Bluetooth pairing request, and you can see easy controls have been turned on for some reason. Yes, now I think now you can read it more clearly. Okay, so right now we are having 16% of battery here. So yeah, that's it. If you can see, this is the GoPro, and if you see, yeah, this is how the display is also looking like. We have 8 hours of full HD video recording as of now. So I'll also put down some videos as a reference how this camera shoots, and you can also find it in some other video, right? So I'll also link those videos in the description after a few days, right? So that's all for this video, and I will give you more updates about this camera later, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.